Hi, everyone. Welcome back for the daily language review corrections video. Today we will be correcting week 6, day 1. So the first two sentences, as always, we read them and decide where the errors are. So number 1 says, David and his parents go to a restaurant last night. So the first error you see is go. We need the correct past tense verb. So they did it in the past. So they went to a restaurant last night. So David and his parents went to a restaurant last night, and we are missing a period at the end. Now, this word is misspelled. So this is how we spell restaurant. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T. This is one of the most frequently misspelled words. It's almost like you say restaurant. So R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T. So let me type the whole sentence. Now remember, David is capitalized because 1, it's the name of a person, so it's a proper noun. Also because it's the beginning of a sentence. So capital David and his parents went to a restaurant last night, and do not forget the period at the end. Number 2 says they wanted some ice cream for dessert. So the first error you see is we need a capital T because it's the beginning of a sentence. They wanted some ice cream for, and this is D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. We want dessert because ice cream makes a very good dessert. Dessert happens after dinner. D-E-S-S-E-R-T. And then finally, we need a period at the end. So our sentence should read, whoops, I was trying to extend the box and it went flying. Let's do this in orange. Capital T-H-E-Y, they wanted some ice cream for dessert, D-E-S-S-E-R-T, period. Number 3, we're supposed to combine the sentences to make one sentence. So this is very awkward. If you were to write with these 3 sentences, you're doing a lot of repeating. David paid for his ice cream. He stood in line. He was in line for 10 minutes. So we're going to smush all of those into one sentence, and we're going to do it with a complex sentence. When David, let me just double check what they suggest. I thought I had it and then maybe not. Aha, yes, I was on the right track. So when David paid for his ice cream, he stood in line for 10 minutes. So you can take out he stood in line. The line was 10 minutes. When David paid for his ice cream, not his cream, his ice cream, comma, because this is a dependent clause, you need to have a comma after it. He stood in line for 10 minutes. That's the best way to combine them. Okay, number 4, write the missing word. Again, we have 3 words. The best way to determine which word makes sense is by saying the sentence with each of the words on its own. He hoped that he can eat his ice cream before it melted. Melted is past tense, so your verbs have to match. If it's past tense in one part of the sentence, it needs to be past tense in the other. Can is present tense. He hoped that he should eat his ice cream before it melted. He hoped that he could eat his ice cream before it melted, and could is the correct answer because it hasn't happened yet. Okay, this ends our video for week 6, day 1, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.